There's a certain magic that happens with fire and earth. When we apply high temperatures to clay, it changes and becomes stone. Glaze melts into glass and pools and flows on the surface. My name is Paul Barchilon, and I've spent the past 40 years exploring tile patterns and ceramics. But tiles don't have to just be square. What happens when the pattern steps outside of the border of the tile? This is one of my dual-level patterns. It was over 6 feet tall after it was installed, and the pattern functions at 2 different scales. For this customer in Denver, I created a 9-foot tall statement wall. It's an Archimedean tiling with squares and triangles. Expanding on this concept, I tried adding a right angle to the inside of the square. Just making this simple change introduced all sorts of tiling possibilities to create a whole new vocabulary. The beauty of these patterns is they look completely different at different scales. Close in, we have incredible detail, and at a distance, new patterns appear. This design, with dodecagon shields, was the first I created with this new system. However, it's not just one of them. In fact, they overlap with each other to create an infinite field of pattern. By rotating a tile, I can totally alter how the pattern flows and works. In fact, multiple circles began to spring out, and I can create all sorts of patterns with this new vocabulary. This is a new pattern I designed with isometric triangles. It creates stars in 18 and 12, but if we add white tiling in, we can begin to create 6-sided stars. In fact, the possibilities are limitless. The only challenge is the size of the wall.